This guy, I'm finna take it from a show called the track car. That shit was I-95 show car. Bit the box out the trunk. Bit, the rims can come out. We put some slicks on that bitch in a minute. You feel me? If that shit don't work, that shit enough, my motor going in there. That's on God. Yeah, that part. I'm back. Shit ain't even for sale no more. Tint the windows. And if it's too heavy, the inside's coming out, man. Tint the windows. You feel me? They racing race cars anyway and shit, you feel me? You know, shit, I know Kenny put the car together, so I had to get all the details from him, but shit, I bet you mystery motor, and we gonna shoot some mystery nitrous in it in a little while.
I'm trying to give him a Lauderdale squat.
You're gonna bring it into the future, man. Yes, man. What's going on?
Rest in peace, Fuzz, that's it.
What are we doing here today, man?
We're raising a little bit of hell. A little bit, not a lot. Not a lot.
How did you find this car?
I find everything.
Next week, right?
No. Not gonna not get you. Next week.
Low enough?
Can it go lower?
Hell no, you don't tell him trying to do right now. We'll probably try to adjust it. Try to get to that.
What is this line? Well, dash A fuel line?
Got it right there.
Oh God! We just. Oh yeah! There we go! Yeah, yeah, yeah! There we go! All 5 pieces. My dog had it in a box somewhere. Yeah! Oh, he almost broke it. Oh yeah! We're gonna be looking like a car in a little while, guys. With me, MJ, I'm buying some coilovers right now. I'm finna try to get to your problem.
You trying to get to my problem?
Yeah, I'm spending $500 on coilovers right now because you wrote on my page with me. So I'm gonna tune up on you.
I was just asking like when you gonna run the car. Like I didn't know y'all need some show cars.
Nah, this guy, I'm finna take it from a show called the track car. I just ripped the whole box out the trunk. You asked and you gonna get what you asking for. Me and you gonna get it on friendly, and we gonna drink some Grey Goose after that. Me and you.
Alright, that was up.
With it down here though. So we gonna do something. We ain't gotta go back and forth for everybody. I know your number. What's the name? All I gotta do really is just put that belt system on my motor. I don't even need to put no nitrous on that bitch. put my shit in there.
Shit's all motor.
Talk about that motor that's high.
My race car.
Slick.
Shit between this and the box. It's over right now.
No, he literally have a dream team. You got Johnny Cochran, Bruce Jenner over here, bro. Like, come on.
You got Lance right here. You ain't even know this Lance.
Oh, got you. KandyonChrome dream team. I'm telling you. Hey man, tell me what, you're disappointed in the progress? No, I like the progress, but it's like when you have a dream team, I see gas lines getting, I need to see 10 different people doing 11 different things.
You're going over. Yeah, leave it alone. That's money, guys. Never mind. Yeah. See that line?
Crack the line first.
Nah, keep going. It's still. Yeah, lady.
That's the light, not the amp.
Okay, well, that shit ain't leaking over there since I cut the pump on.
I ain't gonna leave.
There you go. Alright. Look.
So what's the next step from here?
Flush the cooling system. Bleed the brakes.
Answer my phone.
Have this guy answer his phone. Clean up a couple little things.
Spray all the nipples on the calipers with WD.
You know, and then hopefully light some, you know, burn some rubber. Light some tires off the car.
When do you see that happening?
Hopefully tonight. We'll see what happens.
We're still going.
Yeah, we're still going.
All right.
Yeah, we're here.
Man, we gonna see it when you get here. Come on, man. We finna go, man. Man, go to the liquor store. Come on, we waiting. Come on, man. I'm gonna test on you tonight. Come on, hurry up, get here. Hurry up, get here. Okay, come on, get here, man. We waiting. All right, Alright, get in the shit, put the key in, get to the liquor store and get off on the exit. Come on, we gotta go. This bitch all under the car at the gas station, man. He hell. Let me screw this neck off right in here. Check this.
Nah, this shit looks like it's a new cap.
I just bought that from Power Source yesterday, man. Me and TC.
We gotta hit this shit. Give me a...
Get your dot grinder. You got to cut a little of the edge off.
Oh, that's Craig jaw. He good at cutting.
Man, don't get credit, dot grinder too long. You had your whole radiator cap squatted.
Hey, Stetson, grab me that catch can pan.
Damn, that radiator.
Get my action to get. You gotta cut it, crop and edit. Ready? And action. Oh shit! The bounce seat still work.
Like foreign music.
But and them bitches go up, down. Oh yeah.
It's going a little slow on the come up.
I know I'm gonna put that bitch in one position and leave it. That's that shit that killed Ricky. Ricky, baby. Last, you done hung with us a long time today. You got a phone call, you told them, hey, I can't leave until this thing crank. That's what I'm
there on the right by where your leg would be? On the right.
They move everything.
Lower. I saw some switches on the right.
This shit need an owner's manual.
Is that a switch over there to the right on the side of the console? What is that?
Probably the music switch.
Something, man.
That's the Clipper. The big red dog or the big pink dog?
Ain't it right? You feel me?
Lights on.
Let me call Kenny, I95. Where's my phone? Well, we still gonna need no lights right now. We need brakes before lights. No powerhouse on the move. The fastest thing came in your goddamn shop, dog.
Nah.
Shit, this shit faster than this shit faster than all these LS's in here.
Now you gonna come in and talk shit in your mechanic.
You just talking shit.
You don't talk shit in your mechanic.
You forgot one.
Man, this shit faster than everything in the shop.
You gotta say one though.
What? Oh shit, damn, Craig, your car over here, ain't it?
Yeah.
Shit faster than your shit too.
We gonna have to go ahead and I'm gonna have to go ahead and break that rear end right now.
Shit, man, hopefully, man, shit, hopefully we can. You know, we definitely gonna be riding together. We done broke down before. I had to pull you home that day with the Magnum and the Charger with the road.
Yeah, but guess what? I broke down the other day, but he was at where you was at? When I broke down the other day, where you was at?
I was in
Orlando?
Miami, bro.
Oh, you was in Miami? He didn't even come rescue me, so you know what that means? Control, alt, delete his ass.
Oh, damn. Hey, Craig saved me at the Classic one year too, though. Yeah. At Walmart, me and Craig and Walmart fixing the radio. The radio go out at the Classic. Like, Craig, the music going out. He like, that, cuz, where you at? I pull up. He like, oh, we just gonna go to Walmart, get an RC jack. We gonna plug it to the preamp. I'm playing off the phone. Thanks to Craig.
Yeah, man. Thanks to Craig.
You gonna find somewhere to hang out at, goddamn. I wonder if that one go to one of these go to. I might have to hit that shit that first.
None of it's probably gonna work, Craig, because you unhooked all the wires and stuff.
Oh shit, yeah. Well, Kenny gonna get this bitch and we gonna figure out where everything go to. A step closer.
One more step closer.
We right here to a burnout, baby. We got transmission fluid. We can't check drive and reverse yet. Can we go up?
We need brakes before we do anything.
I know, we gotta go up for Craig. Hell yeah. Shit. Hold on, let me drop my power window so I can hear y'all. Woohoo! Fucking windows still work. Power, baby. And none of that wind up shit.
the lights off, man. Turn the lights off.
Oh, what my cup. That was a good day, man. The day was a great day.
So at this point, are we done with the hourly rate? Because I know y'all not supposed to send in customer cars like this. So I hope that we getting a discount for you in here getting this footage.
Yeah, you got the family.
Hey, Donk, rolled up. Donk say we finna smoke our bitch right now. So we on the lift, so we gonna smoke our first.
Shit, good day.
Shit, that bitch
Good
ain't
day.
leaking. Ain't nothing leaking. It ain't running
We
hot.
got tomorrow burning some good rubber.
You left them hanging. Go ahead, give them that. That's what I'm talking about, brother.
That's what I'm talking about.
Take a shot.
Take a shot. Craig, get a cup, Craig.
Oh, Lord, I don't even drink.
Man, you gonna drink some of that
Shit.
Patron, man.
Man, let's drink. Come on, let's toast that hot chocolate we got over there.
Lord.
That cold chocolate. Nah, shit, this is not dope.
Put the windows up.
Hold up.
The
Up.
$16,000.
There we go. There go those $16,000 windows going up. Yes, oh God, them bitches work. God damn, but hey, shit, I don't know if a lot of other people build would have last that long. Shit, not going through all that.
Listen.
All in the trunk, all in the trunk, all in the trunk.
I know y'all hear that. Listen.
All in the trunk, all in the trunk.